In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use ChatGPT to learn about large language models, often abbreviated as LLMs. We'll break it down step by step so you can get a comprehensive understanding of these fascinating tools. Let's start by opening your web browser and navigating to chat.openai.com. Once you're there, log in with your credentials. If you haven't done this before, you'll need to set up an account, but it's a straightforward process and should only take a moment. Now that you're logged in, begin by starting a new chat. This fresh conversation is where we'll dive into the intricacies of LLMs. It's always helpful to focus on specific topics when learning something new, and today we're zeroing in on large language models. To get the most from ChatGPT, make sure to type your requests clearly. For instance, if you're curious about what exactly a large language model is, you might type a question like, "Explain what a large language model is in simple terms." This sets a clear direction for the AI to follow and helps ensure you receive an informative response. Another great tip for enhancing understanding is to ask ChatGPT to use analogies. Analogies can make complex concepts much more relatable. So you could ask, "Can you compare LLMs to a library of books, where each answer is built from many references?" This analogy can help visualize how LLMs draw from vast amounts of information to generate responses. To deepen your comprehension, request a step-by-step breakdown of how LLMs function. It's fascinating to understand the inner workings, from how a question is received, processed, and transformed into an answer. You might pose a question such as, "Can you explain the process from receiving a question to generating an answer?" This will give you insights into the operations behind the scenes of the AI's responses. Additionally, it's beneficial to ask for real-world examples of how LLMs are applied in everyday scenarios. For instance, you might say, "Please give me 3 examples of how LLMs are used in daily life." This helps bridge the gap between theoretical understanding and practical usage, showcasing the relevance of LLMs in our world. If you come across unfamiliar terminology, don't hesitate to request a glossary of key terms like token, parameter, and training data. Understanding these terms is crucial as they form the backbone of how LLMs operate. Finally, to reinforce your learning, take a moment to summarize what you've covered in your own words. This exercise helps solidify new information and ensures that you truly grasp the concepts discussed. By following these steps, you'll gain a well-rounded understanding of large language models and how they're shaping the future of technology. So open up that chat, dive in, and explore the amazing world of LLMs with the help of ChatGPT. Happy learning!